Hi, my name is Tanner Claridge and this is Claridge Leather. Welcome to my shop. In this short video, I just wanted to introduce myself to you as well as talk a little bit about the kind of content that you can expect on this channel in the future. So leathercraft is not my full-time job. It's a hobby I do on the side. It's a part-time business and I have a family as well. So I do this when I can. I really enjoy it. I know that's probably the same story for many of you. If you found this channel, you probably have a passion for leathercraft as well. I found that the leathercraft community has a lot to offer one another, and lots of times it's a very open community, and that's what I want to do for you. Everything that I've learned, I want to teach to you, and I know in the process I'm going to learn a lot from you as well. So together I want to do some how-to videos. I want to break things down into real simple bite-sized chunks so that if you need to learn a skill, this can be a place you can come. I look forward to building a library of how-to videos in the future so that we can start with some very basic skills and build on them to tackle some projects like wallets on up to bags and briefcases. I have things that I've never built that I want to, so some real challenges for me that I hope we can work through together. So I look forward to that. It's going to be an adventure. So subscribe if you like. Tell your friends. This can be a place where we can kind of gather and learn from each other. So thanks for coming by today. We'll be in touch soon.